Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Lariat Ultimate package, the Black Appearance package, and the FX4 Off-Road. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got that backup camera, we got a nice bed liner, tailgate step, side bed steps as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice bed camera with a black platformed running board, side view camera with trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, spotlights, and turn light indicated, side view camera, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, brown stitching, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior with floor mats, cup holders, heated back seats with 2 USB-Cs, 120 volts, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system. We do get powered mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 44 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your heads on the road. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders, and 2 more if need be. Wireless charging pad with some outlets. It does close. Got that leather-wrapped center console. You get a little light down there too so you can see your goods. Dry mode, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop. We got heated and cooled front seats with that heated steering wheel. Dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here as well. 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice powered rear window opener. We do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. You have your hill control right there, and looking here you have your audio, which has your AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. You got personal profiles here, 911 assist, Ford assist, all that jazz. Features of the vehicle, and click in here, we have a 360 view of our vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC26143, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.